Hello, everyone. My name is Shanita. Today, I'm excited to talk to you guys about what else me. So, let's get started. I'm 32 years old, still single. I know, crazy. I live on my own, which I'm really excited about. That's something that's new that happened this year, which is great for me. Really excited about that. And I also enjoy singing. I enjoy knitting. That a lot of people know that about me. And I'm a creative person. I love to be creative. I love to make new things. And I love to be a part of the beginning and end stages of a project. So I think that's really cool. Today, I'm going to focus more so on my family and some of my hobbies so that you can get to know me. The first thing I'm going to talk about is my family and my cultural background. We are a very close knit family. Me and my family grew up as cousins, as sisters and brothers. So I have 9 cousins, and we are all, it's like I have 9 brothers and sisters where we're always together. I actually have a biological brother and a biological sister, but we are just really close. Most of the time, if you've seen one, you've seen the other. Um, we did a lot of bad things together, of course, and sometimes we continue to do bad things together, I guess, which who doesn't still make bad choices, right? At 32, I should not be making bad choices. I know, but my family brings that crazy side out of me that not a lot of people get to see. And a lot of times people think, that I'm just really quiet and I'm laid back, but I'm not. Once you get to know me, then you'll understand. I often say that until you've hung out with me, with my family, you'll never truly know who I am. And that's something that's really cool about me. Um, One of the people who are most important in my life is my grandmother. Um, she is the one who taught us to be so close and who taught us to love each other unconditionally, even when a family member did something that was hurtful, if they hurt your feelings, if they made you feel like you weren't enough or like they didn't really care about what you had to say. She taught us to love through that and to love people through their faults. And I think that's the most amazing thing that anyone um, could ever teach somebody is to love somebody regardless of how they treated you. And because of that, I'm able to have conversations with people that might sometimes be difficult. And even though it's a difficult conversation, I'm able to have the conversation and then tell you how I feel, receive how you're telling me you feel, and then move on from that. And then from there, we become even closer friends. And I think knowing when to separate those things from each other is awesome. Um, and another thing about my grandmother is she's actually the first person to encourage me to sing. My grandfather started a church when we were younger, and me and my cousins were the church. People joined, and we ended up being the choir. And because of that, I discovered my love for singing. At my mom's side and my dad's side actually is like a musical family. So, I got it honest, I guess. But it developed a love in me that was pure and that is extremely fun. It's something that I love to do. Making music, being with children, all those are dreams. And to be able to do both of those things is amazing to me. And I'm just excited that I get to do those things in life. That's all about me. Um, I've added some pictures to show you my family. I hope you enjoyed them, and I hope you enjoyed my speech, and I hope it was entertaining and that it caught your attention in some way. Thank you.